Cornerstone Entertainment.
Good afternoon. Actually, the business of Cornerstone Entertainment is really, we aim to provide world-class performances, world-class artists, and most especially produce inspiring content in all platforms. But we also know that as an entertainment agency, it is our responsibility to use our resources to educate the next generation about the importance of culture and our history and the arts, for that matter. That's why we consider it a privilege to partner with the Ayala Foundation to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Ayala Museum. And we will celebrate, let's give our hands for the Ayala Museum. It's 50 years. That's amazing. Wow. So it is our honor really to partner with Ayala Foundation to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Ayala Museum, and we will celebrate it. We will celebrate this milestone by mounting this first ever whole day arts and music festival here at the Ayala Museum that's titled Amplify. So this is, of course, this is coming October 19. It's a very, very exciting project, and we're hoping through the power of music from our Cornerstone artists, we have curated like the best, and we've chosen the artists to fit perfectly the occasion, of course. So we're happy to partner with you on that. But we're aiming through the power of music from our Cornerstone artists, side by side, with the wonderful heritage of the Ayala Museum. We hope to amplify the importance of knowing and learning from our history and our culture through music, arts, and of course through paintings and through stories. So we aim to put it all together in one event. You know, the good thing, and this is a personal thing to me as well, and I speak on behalf of the company as well, the good thing about learning about our history is that when we learn our history, we get to have a deeper appreciation on the things that we have. In fact, this is going to be the second time that I'll go around the museum, but the first time was really an experience. You know, I get to learn more again, everything that I've learned in school. I got to have a review of everything. And the good thing about studying the arts, via painting or dioramas and all that stuff is that we're reminded of our past. And when we're reminded of our past, we see our icons, our heroes, right? Our national heroes. We're reminded of their success, their sacrifice that they made. That's why we have all the privileges that we have right now. And because of that, that knowledge should inspire all of us to become better citizens, to have a deeper love for our country. That's why I appreciate what you guys stand for. And in behalf of Cornerstone Entertainment, we would like to thank you for partnering, for making us partners in celebrating the Ayala Museum. This is such an amazing advocacy, and we are honored to be part of it. And I hope that this is just the start of many to come. So thank you, and good afternoon.
Thank you, Jeffrey, for those remarks.